Hello guys, let me start this video by showing you a receipt. $77.99. And guess what I bought? Tada! Oh my God! Kung may malapit na call sa inyo, now is the time to go. Because we got, how many pairs? We got 5 pairs for $70. This is Milan's. Oh, diba? Ang cute. Guess how much? $14.99. $14. Grabe. $14 yan. And then, she also got the black version. Is it the same?
It's just not platform.
Ito hindi na platform, pero essentially the same shoes. $14 na naman. Siyempre. Oh wait, may isa pa for her. Because the reason why we went there is talagang bumili ng concert shoes niya. But then nakita namin yung mga sale. So we got this. It's cute. For her concert, for her viola concert. And this was, I think, $30. Let me see. $23. Mura pa rin, diba? And then, for me, I got the same. Siyempre, bigger size lang. I got the black one, which is also $14. And I got this cute color. Sobrang cute. 14 na naman. If you add all of them, it would come up to, I guess, about maybe $100 and change. Kaya lang, nakapulot si Milan ng coupon sa floor, and he's like, Mama, I found a coupon, and it's for 20% off. So, yun. Kaya, naging 77 siya. So, parang $80 kasi 100 lahat. But even if hindi namin nakita yung coupon, $14 for this, kung hindi ka maselan sa brand, like, you don't want yung, you're not looking for Uggs or yung, you know, this is not bad. 14? Wait, before I go, I want to show you what it looks like. Ang cute! Ta-da! Let me try the black one. So, ito yung black. Ang cute! Yung pagpa-leggings ka lang or shorts, you know, when it's not super cold. Pero even if it's like super cold, pwede ka namang mag-socks dyan, tapos naka-ano na lang siya sa pants. So, cute! $14! Yun lang. Bye-bye!